श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गदामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्धैभवद्ब्रह्मेन्द्र गङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियां। Hello everyone. Let us know about the August monthly horoscope results. The transit results which I say will happen only 60%. Birth horoscope results are 90%. Astrology is just an index science. The 100% results are only for the sakes. This is the thing you all have to understand and follow. I hope you all will follow for sure. Hello everyone, let us know about the August monthly horoscope results. Libra results are as follows. The results are as expected. The positive results in the first 3 weeks, average results in the 4th week. There will be a peaceful life and monetary growth. The alliance between the siblings is strong. There will be a compatibility in the new business. Share markets and speculations, lotteries and gambling will also bring great fortune. Very good educational gain for students. Prepare well for competitive exams. Results will be as expected. Benchman jobs turns into project job. There are high transfer opportunities for government employees and private sector. The chances of getting green card, PR and visa are amazing. Dependent visa will convert into independent visa. You will surely have a fantastic job in abroad. Business disruption in the furniture, glass, leather and resin industries. There are opportunities like achieving the best level of production in the industrial sector. Great profit for the traders, merchants and labor workers. Textile, tailoring and handlooms traders are at loss in the last week. Loss to the dairy and poultry industry in the last week. The business over abundance for silver and gold traders. There are very good opportunities for farmers to grow the amazing crops. Great profit for chili, turmeric, cotton, jaggery and millet farmers. Fantastic benefit for the farmers who grow vegetables, fruits and flowers. Fishermen are at loss. Do not go into sea for hunting the fishes in the 4th week. Good luck for becoming parents. Pregnancy comes through natural or IVF. You will have a very good health. Your health will be amazing without any surgeries. The conflicts over property by the siblings and adults will settle well. Advantages in property transfers from adults or siblings. Great benefits for Vedic scholars and priests. Court cases are likely to occur during the 4th week. Compatibility in the political arena is well received by the people. Slight loss to the writers, music composers, producers, actors and directors in the film industry in the last week. Excellent profit for automobile and drivers. Intimacy between lovers, wife and husband. Good news is heard from the marriage bureau. Great development for doctors, medical teams, lawyers, artists and athletes. Extraordinary benefit for cement, pharma, real estate and housing agents. 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler vehicle can be purchased. You can invest for second-hand vehicle. The happiness at home, miracle of good fortune, wealth and the power thrive. This month is very auspicious for everyone in the 4 weeks. I want to everyone to lead a happy life, prosperity, health and wealth in this month and every month to enjoy every moment happily. Have a nice month. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear viewers, I owe you an apology for the grammatical errors I have done. I take full responsibility for my actions and I will try to recollect my mistakes and at least do a bit better in my upcoming videos. Thank you. Namaskaram. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु।